Today, we are taking a look at 3 industrial stocks that TipRank's AI analyst rates a buy. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today, we are diving into 3 stocks in the industrial sector that TipRank's AI analyst rates a buy. The AI analyst collects a vast amount of data and puts together a comprehensive stock report along with its own rating. And not only does this AI analyst rate these stocks a buy, so does Wall Street. So we're going to see what these companies do and what exactly these analysts are predicting for the stock's future. You can check out the top AI analyst stocks over on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app, which you can download using links in the description below. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into our 3 strong buy stocks. First up, we're taking a look at Parker Hannifin. They trade under the ticker PH, currently priced at $894 per share. The stock has gained 44% in the past year. In the last 3 months, it is up slightly at 1.5% after dropping off near the end of February. Parker Hannifin is a global leader in motion and control technologies. Founded back in 1917, the company has spent more than a century engineering precision-engineered solutions in hydraulics, pneumatics, filtration, fluid and gas handling, electromechanical systems, climate control, and more. These products and systems serve virtually every major market, from industrial manufacturing, mobile equipment, renewable energy, and defense, helping customers worldwide solve touch. On TipRank's AI analyst, Parker Hannifin currently scores an 80 for an outperform and a price target of $1,091 for an upside of nearly 22%. Their score is driven primarily by strong and improving fundamentals with higher profitability and better leverage and a bullish technical trend. The latest earnings call further supports the outlook with raised guidance and strong order and backlog momentum. When we jump down to that latest earnings call summary, we can see that they had record quarterly sales and organic growth, with Q2 record sales of $5.2 billion, up 9% year over year. And their adjusted segment operating margin reached a record 27.1%. Adjusted earnings per share of $7.65 was up 17% year over year. We can also check out an overview of their financial statements, with their income statement being rated very positive and both balance sheet and cash flow positive as well. Following that quarterly report, we had quite a few Wall Street analysts bumping up their price targets, including a 5-star analyst from KeyBank. They said that although uniquely strong execution from Parker Hannifin has become commonplace, the firm was nonetheless impressed by their navigation of a choppy end market backdrop with strong incrementals. Looking out, although the stock has re-rated, KeyBank believes continued organic earnings upside from strong execution and eventual filtration group contribution will support shares moving higher long term. On Wall Street, there are 12 current ratings on the stock, with 9 buys and 3 holds, giving Parker Hannifin a strong buy consensus. And the average price target of $1,034 implies an upside potential of 15.5%. Looking at those ratings down below, we can see all the analysts that have been bumping up their price targets. On the low end, we do have a hold here with a downside of 5%, and on the high end, a buy rating with an upside of 27%. Second on the list today is Napco Security Technologies. They trade under the ticker NSSC, currently priced at $41.58. Their stock has climbed 76% in the past year, but is down slightly in the last 3 months at 0.12%. Napco is a leading U.S. manufacturer of advanced electronic security solutions. The company specializes in a full range of professional-grade products, including intrusion and commercial fire alarm systems, access control panels, electronic door locking devices, and related technologies like cloud-based management and wireless communications. Their core brands are Alarm Lock, Continental Access, and Marks USA, and they provide innovative systems for residential, commercial, institutional, and government. TipRank's AI analyst rates them an outperform with a score of 78, with a price target of $47 for an upside of 13%. Their strong score is driven primarily by high-quality financial performance and a positive earnings call outlook with continued revenue, margin, and free cash flow momentum. And jumping down to that earnings call summary, For their Q2 at the start of February, they saw strong operational and financial momentum with record Q2 revenue of $48.2 million, double-digit growth in both equipment and recurring revenue, expanding gross margins, robust profitability, rising free cash flow, and a debt-free balance sheet with $115 million in cash. And following that earnings report, we did hear from a 5-star analyst at TD Cowen who reiterated their buy rating. He points to the company's ability to outpace expectations for the fourth quarter in a row, driven largely by accelerating high-margin recurring service revenue. In his view, management is prudently reinvesting in the business so the company can capitalize on its current momentum and support future growth. And this is also reinforced by a favorable backdrop in the security market. With 6 current analyst ratings, Napco Security does come in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target is $49.25, implying an upside potential of over 18%. Looking at those ratings down below, they range from 15% to 20% upside. And for our third stock today, we're taking a look at Emcor. They trade under the ticker EME, currently priced just shy of $730 per share. Their stock has climbed 90% over the past year. In the last 3 months, it's up 20%. They do also score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score. Emcor has a large presence in mechanical and electrical construction, industrial and energy infrastructure, and building services. With about 44,000 employees and over 100 operating companies, mainly across the U.S., they design, install, maintain, and service critical building systems, from HVAC, electrical, plumbing, fire protection, automation, and more, in high-demand sectors like data centers, healthcare, and manufacturing. They drive strong growth through demand for advanced infrastructure, energy efficiency, and large-scale projects. And of course, they do score and outperform on the TipRanks AI Analyst with a score of 79. That score is driven primarily by strong financial performance with growth and margin expansion and conservative leverage, and a positive earnings outlook supported by record backlog and confident 2026 guidance. Their last earnings report came out on February 25th. Quarterly revenue of $4.5 billion was up 19.7% year over year. They had strong earnings per share and cash generation with record full-year financial performance. Revenue came in at $16.99 billion and earnings per share of $25.87. Earlier this month, we heard from an analyst at UBS who increased their price target. They said that management highlighted a durable pipeline of opportunities across several end markets and reiterated expectations for healthy organic expansion in its construction operations, driven by modest headcount additions alongside steady gains in pricing and productivity. The Emcor stock has 7 current analyst ratings, nearly coming in as a unanimous strong buy, with 6 buys and 1 hold. The average price target is $863 for an upside potential of 18%. Looking at those ratings down below, they range from an upside of 10% up to 29%. So that is a quick look at 3 stocks in the industrial sector, rated a buy both by the TipRanks AI Analyst and Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and which one you'd put on your watch list. I always love hearing from you guys. Of course, keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you back here next time.